Now, he also made this suggestion with this meme that this could be the new CEO of Twitter. And it's actually, we haven't had some Doge memes in a like crypto winter.
Well, it's actually bouncing back, just like last night.
Well, yeah, I mean, it helps when Elon gets back on.
Yeah.
Elon, because everyone's like, I guess Elon forgot about crypto too. And obviously that would not be a good sign for crypto. So if he comes back with his own dog, Floki, and any post, then people are going, look, crypto's back. Crypto's back. Get your money up. Elon Musk's pet raised Dogecoin's market cap by 500 million within minutes. That's the headline according to Money Control. The new CEO of Twitter, Elon Musk, joked as he shared photos of his dog comfortably occupying the Twitter high office earlier this week. That looks like a curtain behind him.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
With the folds.
I don't think that's actually in San Francisco, Will. I don't know. I could be wrong. But Floki got big. I remember when that dog was a little pup. I guess that's how that works, Will. I mean, I remember Otis was just a pup the other day.
Yeah.
Now he's in dog years. He's 47 years old.
Yeah.
Elon Musk's Shiba Inu dog is not just another pet. It's capable of taking the crypto markets by storm. In a tweet on February 15th, Musk introduced his pet as his new CEO of Twitter, posting a photo saying he's much better than that other guy. Making a joke about himself. It's amazing. Like, if you could swing the cost of any currency with a stupid photo, you know what I'm saying?
Stupid photo.
Like, you put this photo over there. Look at his laptop, his Twitter laptop. You put this photo over there, right? You buy a little before, you sell a little after. You're all set. You're good. You're golden forever.
Sure. Yeah,
I'm not suggesting that's what he did. But imagine, for example, if you were just like his assistant. You're just Elon Musk's assistant. And he's like, hey, can you post this for me? And you look at it. And you're like, oh, dang, he's back on the Doge thing. And you just go make a little trade, then you post it.
Go all in on Doge.
Like, don't you think this is little crafty moves? People are crafty, dude.
Yeah.
People are crafty. I mean, I guess it's no different if you're the CEO of a company and then you're about to make a big acquisition or something. But I guess that's insider trading.
That's insider trading.
But does crypto have the same insider trading laws that the stock market does?
The U.S. is working on it.
Yeah, it's not really there yet, right? So it's kind of, good luck working on that with the anonymity and stuff. But anyway.